Hello, in front of me I've got PS5. In this video I'll show you how to check your storage and how to clear it. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now go to storage. Now you can check console storage, for example games and apps. Here is the list of all games and apps we've got installed on our console, and then we can delete them. Next we can check media gallery, saved data and other. Next we can manage USB extended storage. Simply use a USB drive formatted as USB extended storage and move your games there to free up space in console storage. To play PS5 games that are in USB extended storage, copy them back to console storage from your game library. Copying games from USB extended storage is faster than reinstalling them. You can install PS4 games to USB extended storage and play them directly from there. If you have a USB extended storage drive you're using on your PS5, you can also use it on your PS5. In the end, you can change installation location. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.